You're looking at the future of luxury redefined. The 2026 Rolls-Royce isn't just a car. It's a statement, a moving piece of art born from a century of uncompromising excellence and relentless evolution. From the moment you approach it, the experience begins. The signature spirit of ecstasy greets you like an old friend, rising silently from the hood. The doors open not with a click but a gentle sweep, revealing a sanctuary built not for driving but for being driven. Every inch is crafted to perfection. You don't sit in this car. You arrive in it. The exterior lines are sharper yet impossibly smooth, drawing the eye along a silhouette that's more sculpted than ever. The 2026 design language still whispers heritage, but with the posture of something that knows its time is now. Rolls-Royce has embraced electric innovation without sacrificing identity. Underneath that long, elegant bonnet isn't a roaring V12, but a whisper-quiet dual-motor electric powertrain delivering instant torque, seamless acceleration, and almost no sound. And that silence, it's not just because of the EV architecture. This car has nearly 200 kilograms of sound-dampening material layered into the chassis. Even the tires have noise-canceling foam. At 70 miles per hour, it's quieter inside than most luxury hotel rooms. Let's talk interior. This isn't a cabin, it's a lounge. No, scratch that. It's a private jet without wings. Think open, walnut inlays, lamb's wool carpets thicker than your mattress. And ambient lighting so customizable it can match the sky outside real time. The seats are heated, cooled, massaging, and intuitively adjust to your posture. The rear passenger space is the real showstopper, reclining seats, a champagne fridge, crystal glassware, starlight headliner, now embedded with shooting stars, and built-in screens that feel more like personal cinemas than infotainment panels. Voice activation isn't new, but in the 2026 Rolls-Royce, it's evolved. The onboard AI assistant named Eleanor doesn't just understand you, it anticipates you. Ask it to set a route, dim the lights, change the temperature, or play your favorite Mozart concerto. It responds with grace and precision, no matter how vague the command. And the driving experience, if you choose to sit behind the wheel, which is rare for most Rolls-Royce owners, it's unlike anything else. The steering is featherlight but pinpoint accurate. The all-wheel drive system adapts in real time, and the air suspension uses cameras to read the road ahead, adjusting each corner to ensure passengers don't feel even a speed bump. Rolls-Royce calls it the magic carpet ride, and honestly, that's underselling it. Even the regenerative braking has been fine-tuned for elegance. No sudden lurches, no harsh deceleration, just a seamless deceleration that feels more like slowing time than stopping motion. Range anxiety, forget it. The 2026 model offers over 400 miles on a single charge. And ultra-fast charging tech means you can get from 10% to 80% in under 25 minutes. But let's be real, most Rolls-Royce owners aren't stopping at gas stations or charge points. They have private garages with charging suites more sophisticated than most public infrastructure. And if you're wondering about connectivities, it's future-proof. 6G ready, of course. Real-time over-the-air updates, biometric security access, and remote vehicle summoning via smartphone or voice. Rolls-Royce isn't just building a car. They're building an ecosystem of luxury. The 2026 model isn't just about silent power or unmatched refinement. It's about identity, exclusivity, confidence that whispers rather than shouts. The Rolls-Royce badge has always been about arriving before you've even left. And now, with this new chapter fully electric, digitally intuitive, and human, it's clear that the brand hasn't lost an ounce of soul in its evolution. If anything, it's rediscovered it. Each car is still handcrafted in Goodwood, England, where artisans take months to assemble what most manufacturers would rush in days. And customization, the sky is in the limit. It's the starting point. You can commission your Rolls-Royce with personalized embroidery, color-matched interiors, custom monograms, even veneers made from trees in your private estate. This isn't mass production. It's bespoke by definition. And yes, the price reflects that. Starting north of $400,000 and easily climbing with options. The 2026 Rolls-Royce is not for everyone. It's for the few. But for those few, this car isn't an indulgence, it's an inheritance. Something timeless in a world obsessed with trends. Something that doesn't age, but matures. In an era where everything feels fast, loud, and temporary, the 2026 Rolls-Royce dares to be slow, quiet, and permanent. It invites you to pause, to appreciate, to savor. It isn't just about where you're going. It's about how you feel getting there. And in this, the 2026 Rolls-Royce is unmatched. Still, the best car in the world. Only, now it's from the future.